Are you frustrated by the issue of a radiator being hot at the top while remaining cold at the bottom? This imbalance in heat distribution can disrupt the comfort of your living space during colder months. However, understanding the causes behind this problem and knowing the potential solutions can help you rectify it effectively. Let's see the possible reasons for hot at top, cold at bottom. 1. Trapped air. The presence of trapped air within the radiator can hinder the flow of hot water, leading to uneven heating. Bleeding the radiator to release trapped air is a common solution. 2. Sludge or debris buildup. Accumulation of sludge or debris over time can restrict the flow of hot water, causing the radiator to heat unevenly. Flushing the radiator to remove any buildup can restore its proper functioning. 3. Thermostatic radiator valve, TRV, issues. A faulty or incorrectly adjusted thermostatic radiator valve can disrupt heat distribution. Checking and adjusting the TRV or replacing it if necessary can address this issue. 4. Incorrect radiator sizing. If the radiator is undersized for the room it is intended to heat, it may struggle to provide sufficient heat, resulting in uneven temperature distribution. Consulting a heating professional to assess the appropriate radiator size for your space can resolve this issue. So how to fix a radiator that's hot at the top but cold at the bottom? 1. Bleed the radiator. Use a radiator key or screwdriver to open the bleed valve and release trapped air. Wait until water starts to flow steadily, then close the valve tightly. Bleeding should be performed periodically to prevent air buildup. 2. Flush the radiator. Attach a hose to the drain valve at the bottom of the radiator, open the valve, and let the water flush out, removing any debris. Close the valve, refill the radiator, and check for improved heat distribution. 3. Check and adjust the TRV. Inspect the thermostatic radiator valve for any visible issues or signs of malfunction. Adjust the valve following the manufacturer's instructions or replace it if necessary. 4. Consult a heating professional. If the problem persists after trying the above solutions, seek assistance from a heating professional. You can call us on the contact number in description. We can assess your heating system and provide further guidance or repairs. Some of the frequently asked questions about radiators. Why is the top of my radiator cold? The top of your radiator might be cold due to trapped air, valve issues, blockage or buildup, or system imbalance. Why is my new radiator warm at top, cold at bottom? Potential reasons include trapped air, incorrect installation, flow imbalance, or incorrect radiator sizing. Why is my radiator hot at bottom and cold at top after bleeding? Possible reasons include air trapped in the system, imbalanced heating system, blockage or buildup, or valve issues. How to bleed radiators bottom to top. Follow the step-by-step instructions provided in the article to effectively bleed your radiators from bottom to top, ensuring better heat distribution throughout the system. By addressing the underlying causes and following the recommended solutions, you can restore optimal performance to your radiator and enjoy consistent warmth throughout your living space. If you encounter persistent issues, don't hesitate to seek professional assistance for thorough diagnosis and repairs. Just call us on the number in description.